Hi, this is Paul Niebuhr with Cynergy Networks. This is a demonstration of the Cynergy Networks League Management System. The League Management System can be used by pros and team captains to manage their teams and communicate with their players. You can manage any kind of team with this system. For this demo, we'll be managing a men's paddle tennis team. We have one team created. That's our Division A team in our men's paddle tennis league. The team has 2 players, and the screen clearly shows all the contact information for both players. We have one competition that's been scheduled for this team. The competition date is February 1st. Now we'll take a look at the information that's captured for each of the competitions. We have the competition name, competition date, the competition time, whether it's going to be home or away. In this case, it's going to be at home in our club. If it was going to be away, it would be at Woodway, and I would put in the location name, street, city, and zip code of Woodway. Also, you can see that the status is active, so that the competition is going on. The reminder days before, the system will send an email to each player that is playing, reminding them of the upcoming competition. In this case, we send it 2 days before. There is a query email that goes out. We have it set for 7 days before. This is an email that gives the players the opportunity to signify whether they're available or not available for a specific competition. For this demo, we're going to reset the number of days before to 30. This is a typical email that one of the team members will receive. It gives all the basic information on the competition, where it's going to be played, what time it's going to be played. And there's also 3 links on the bottom, one that they can click if they're available, not available, or whether they want to update their profile. I'm going to click the available. Now the captain can look at his team roster for this particular competition. This is the control panel for this competition. It has everything that the captain needs to manage and communicate with his team. What we have on this screen is the player's name, email address, telephone number, cell phone, whether or not they're a captain, if they're on the frozen list, whether the email has been sent for the query, whether they've signified if they were available or not. In this case, there hasn't been any response. In my case, you saw that we did click available, and this signifies that I'm available. It shows whether I've selected them as a player for this competition, and the last column is used for sending out emails to my team. For example, I may want to email all the players and let them know that there's a change in time. So I'm going to click on the Select All button, which will select all the players on my team. Then I'm going to click Email Selected. I simply fill in the subject and the body, click Send, and the email is immediately sent out. Next, I want to establish who's going to be playing for this particular competition. Generally, I'll have a list of 10 to 20 players on my team, but only 5 to 10 will be playing in any specific competition. So as a captain, I'll select from those people that are available who's going to play in this particular competition. Now that I have players selected, I can use the league management system to select just my players for this competition to send out an email to. I can also select just the people who indicated they were available and send an email just to them. In the case of Tyler, he didn't click on any of the links on the email, but he called me and told me he was available. So as a captain, I can go in and check the available checkbox for him. Now when I click on Select Available, you'll see that Tyler is selected as well, because I checked the available checkbox for him. He'll receive any email for sending to available players. Also click now on just select players, and it will send an email only to the players for that particular competition. The league management system was designed by team captains to give them the tools that they need to manage and communicate with their team. This leaves them time to do what they really love, which is play competitive sports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration video. If you have any questions or you'd like a personal demonstration, please give us a call at 203-984-9887.